Hello everyone, welcome back to Gill Technologies and this episode on Telewatch. I'm George Gill and this is
Carol.
And we'd like to talk a little bit more about Telewatch and some of the detailed reports that are out there. So, what's going on, Carol? What report are we going to talk about today?
Mobile detail by user.
Mobile detail by user. Okay, this is actually really good because I love this report. This is an amazing report. And I'm going to let you give the details about it, but then I'll pipe in with some of the things that I really like when I'm talking to clients about their costs and we drill into this report. So what are some of the pluses to the mobile detail by user report?
Obviously, the first plus is that it's by user, where we offer a calendar year-to-date report, shows all your accounts with the trend of the year. What this report does is it lets you look at an individual user and what their habits and trends are for a 12-month period.
Okay. Now, and there's even an average column on that report as well, so that you have a running average of that 12-month period.
Absolutely, and you can compare what their current usage is compared to that average.
Now, one of the things I really like about this report, I normally drill into this report from another report that has highlighted a particular user that I need to look at or I need to help the organization look at. And then you click into this report and lo and behold, you get all of this great information. And would you say that's maybe that wasn't the way it was meant to be designed, but do you find that when you're going into the detailed user report as well, that you're coming from somewhere else?
Yeah, usually you're looking at some of your top users or some of the charges or other things that are identified, and you need to find more information about what's going on. You can drill into the user and try to figure out why there's more charges, why their usage has gone up, what's been going on.
Carol, you ready to show us what this report looks like?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. So let's head over to Carol's computer and drill in to the mobile detail by user report.
All right, here we are in Telewatch, and there are again two ways to get to the detail by user report. We can click on detail by user here, or go to reports, mobile, and mobile detail by user. What this brings up is 10 users per page that we can click through. You do have the option, if you have a smaller account, that you can click to see all of the users on one page by clicking here. I would not recommend doing this if you have a very large account, as it will take a considerable amount of time to load the page. This shows us a quick summary of the numbers that are listed on the current page. We can click on one of them and just take a look. What we see at the top is the unit number as well as the username, and then this top section gives us a little summary of the carrier, the account, and the plan that the unit is currently on. Also lists the manager for that particular unit. And then we get to see a breakdown of all their usage in the last 12 months at the top of this section, and all the costs associated with the usage on each of the given months. What this allows us to do is take a quick look and see any kind of trends, whether it be cost or usage. We can certainly see in this particular case that the cost started in August at $131 a month and has stabilized since then to $60, $70 per month. It also lets us take a look at the year-to-date spend and the averages for each given month. It gives us a really quick idea of where they fit in at present. Are they significantly above or below their average? This is the average just for this particular unit, not for the account. For the most part, I would use this report as a way to look into any particular charges that we have on a unit. If there seems to be high roaming charges on an account or any kind of excessive charges in any particular area, going in here and going through some of the users to see what their trends are, what their usage has been, where their costs are, lets you sort of get an idea of what we can do to try to control costs on the account. And that's just a quick look at the mobile detail by user report in Telewatch. I hope it helps you manage your telecom expenses.